Mandla, viva, EFF, viva. Ayole, EFF, ayole. Tata, EFF, tata. Tata, EFF, Mufulatsepe, tata. Oele, Mushwa Makashule, wile. Oele, Mushwa Makashule, le Pantiti, wile. Utoa, Mushwa Ramaphosa, utoa. Awe Mushwa Mashori, awe Mushwa Mashori, awe. Pele, EFF, pele. Tata, EFF, tata. Kalabua, our deputy president, le chairperson ya rona, Mbokoto, le ba etapele kaofela ba province, le ba national, le ba region ya Kharib, le local Mufulatsepe. Re thabile haholo today uba mona, because mona Mufulatsepe ke lehae la EFF. Ba rata ha ba rate, ba ka ba utswitse di vote tsa rona, mara re itse hantle re mona ke lehae la rona mona. Re itse hantle re winne mona Mufulatsepe, mara ka re ne re lwana le mashodu a utswe le dinomoro tsa rona di vote di utswitswe, le a re robala hantle re tseba hore re winne mona Mufulatsepe mona. So re swantse re ba shape ka 2021, re ba shape ka margin o moholo gore le ba di utswa ba di kenya mo dipokotong di wetlase, re di bone gore mashodu ke ya bana ba Zuma le Makhashule ba utswa di vote tsa rona, ba putsitse bontate a bona ka boshodu, ba utswa le di vote. So today re tlo jaiva re be monate, re leboge bonkgono gore bonkgono ba Mufulatsepe ba ruta bonkgono ba South Africa kaofela gore mokgatlo o a se wa bana, ke wa batho ka moka, ke mokgatlo o batlang gore maqheku a kreye more than 4,500 because tšhelete ba lefang yona ke nyane 1,800. Ha e fapane le tšhelete ne le sebeletsa ko dipolaseng tsa maburu, nako ena le sa sebetsa ba le ja matsogo. Jalo no ke nako ya gore re le leboe, re le fe more than 4,500. Tšhelete e teng ba e utswa mashodu a ANC, ke tšhelete e swantse tekolona ba ija. E tshwana le tšhelete ne swantse lokisitse asbestos. Today re itse hantle ba jele, ba tshwerwe ba ko tronkong. I can tell you now, ba ka se tronkong for long as ANC tshwere puso. Ha le batla batho ba ba tshwarwe, re ba kwalle, re latlhekhi kgetha EFF gore Makhashule le hae la hae e be di sele tsa ko tronkong. Re ska mo kwalla mo Free State ka re mo ba mo itse, re mo ishe Venda kwa a ya kwallwe Venda, ba fitle ba re mene Makhashule ha palla ku araba ba dile ka ena because o utswitse tšhelete ya setšhaba. Whether Makhashule o e utswitse gore ha e utswa, it's immaterial. Ntho re itseng ke gore tšhelete ya asbestos ya mo Mufulatsepe e utswitswe, and e utswitswe ke ANC. Gore ke Makhashule gore ke mang, one of them must take responsibility and re tlo ba kwalla. Re batla bana ba ba lona ba je ba kreye tšhelete ya bana, ba ska kreya tšhelete ya bo ma 300, o tla etsang ka 300? Ha o tswa ko Smithfield ko toropong, ha o fitla mo e fedile tšhelete eo ya ngwana. Re batla gore bana ba tshware 1,000 o ya godimo, ke bana ba rona. Wena bele a fela EFF e tla patela, ke mangare batho ba sa kola ba ska etsa bana re ba etsa bana puso ke ya rena re patala tax ai fiwe bana ba iska fuwa di politician tsa utswa tšhelete di sa sebeletse setšhaba bana ba rena ko dikolong ha re batle gore ba je bismiti or ba je lebese re batla ba je nama why tšhelete ya go reka nama e teng e rekela makgašule nama ha itswe ko makgašule e tle mo dikolong bana ba rena ba je T-bone steak ka nako ya breaki ba je ntho tse healthy ba je di-salad gore tsatsi le ba ruteile ba ena le sa bona ba ska fitlha mola Cape Town ba makatsa ke T-bone steak o kry motho a nagana gore nama ke miss meat re batla nama mo dikolong mo ha re ka isa nama ko dikolong there won't be enough money to steal there's too much money to steal because tšhelete e ntse mola ya idla ha e sebeletse batho ba rona mara ha re ka nka tšhelete ra isa ko baneng ra isa ko batswadi ba rona ba ba senang sepe there will be nothing left to steal there's too much money idling that's why ba e utswa because ha e sebetse nka se fihle mo ba re ha una metsi mo ke re why o sena metsi mo ka re go na le Gariep Dam and Gariep Dam e na le metsi as we speak now why can't the government of the people take pipe from Gariep Dam bring it here Mufutha Tepe every house even a running tap with the clean water how far about metsi ama clean how about metsi fela you are giving them life when people don't have water they don't have life how ka tsama di place ka o fela tsama buru there is no single farm ya o tlhoka metsi there is no single farm ya o tlhoka motlakase mara out to the township where black people are there's no water there is no reliable electricity le ona ko place nto ya le burukela kwa ena le motlakase ena le a flushing toilet just next to that house basebetsi ba mo famo ha bana toilet ha bana metsi ha bana motlakase mara ha ba tswa mo ba re ke reconciliation rata le khoa ya lo ko ke thata ko rata byang o ntse ko ntlong o na le motlakase o sa nke fela gas o no pula like this re kire fela globe ya re bana ba tsebe o studisha at night what type of a human being are you white man to stay in a house with an electricity all you can do is to wire to the farmers to the workers of the farm a simple electricity so that they can have light at night their children too must study arinya kure banamba batshwane le bomma bona or bontata bona we want the children in the farms to own the farms and they can only own the farms if they are educated why monna le buru o ba tima motlakase not all pair tell them how about the store for kamo tell them how about the heater they must cook with wood no problem re ne re kopa fela a globe ya bana ba bale busiu so that we can guarantee a better future for our children what type of a human being are you white men to deny these children a light to study and make their future bright Harlwaneli luxury Haribati Giza with the hot water all we are asking for is the bright future of our children we don't want our children to travel the same journey their grandfathers traveled Ntwaye yatlala ntwa e ya o hloka a e fele ka lona le ntseng ka mo tenteng ba ba ka mo ntle ba lona bana. Let them grow up under a better roof with reliable water and electricity. Only the government of the EFF can do that. Rena re etsa dintho re se puso batho ba llela ko rona o ka re puso ha ba fetsa o llela ko rona re ba thusa ka tsatsi la dikgetho ha ba tswe ko matlong ba yo kgetha ba nna ko matlong ba nwa majwala ba tawa ba nana or the future of their children will be resolved by alcohol. Shame on you, all of you, who didn't go and vote on that day. Every voter mo mofuta tshepe mona lintsi ko malapeng a lona ANC utsitse dikgetho because you stay in your house. Lona re le nameditse di-taxi tsa rona ra lefa dikipa tsa rona la re ko rona lo re kgetha ha le fitlha kwa la kgetha mashodu e bana ba ba sokola e bana ba ba sa thole mesebetsi e bana ba ba robala ba ba fa mesebetsi ka thobalano. You are responsible because you voted the rapist or the kopuso. Stop pretending. Hausa rata or rat oskata maoro rata how tenako wetsa dintho tsa di rapist o kgetha batho ba rapang bana pele ba ba fa mosebetsi. When you say to a person, have sex with me, I'll give you a job, you must know it's a rape. You are raping them. Schumann, propose women properly. Out in Feria, the ANC, the Chancellor, la ANC, Alitu Feria, le Feria Kapazari, Kebata Wotela, a Wotele Mwana, wa how, ka vote ya how, ka Rautena Kor Abambon. Modimu le Badimu ba Ushebi, or Wadifa di Katawad, Mata, our Ditwele Pili, di Katabana Babaruna. Hauna Mut. Why Trompam? Lord Trompan, the future of their children. Wakato Lampili, Avotela ANC. No one. Okay, Trompam, Oba Shebile, Papranama, Momofuta Tepe, Bakiti Makadi Kolo, Itama Baibai, Bainoma Yuala, right in front of poverty. Oba Sheb, Baba Hira. Membership card. House na membership card autoli EPWP. Leona le membership card house a support magashule autoli EPWP. Kor o swantse o join ANC o bo join le magashule o bo robale le bona before thola msebenzi. Ntweo ra fedisa ka 2021. If Lebata continue voting for them. If Lebata Bonkono, but 90 years and above, to get more than 6,000 per month, Renova Lebo Eba Nankun, okay, 90 years every month. Anyone 90 years and above, 6,000 rand. Lebo Ebo Pilo. Ba ke example ya hore ba tla o phela bophelo bo botelle. You must lead a good life. Batho ba re ba patele moya ka their age because batho ba 90 years and above as ba bangata. How ka re 100 years wa tshelela ka kwa au fuwe 10,000. Re lebohe bophelo bo ba 100 years and above. There are not too many. Not a lot of us will reach 100 years. Okay, 10,000 years, very few of them we can afford to do that. So, Batswadi Barona, Rebata, Hukalelo now change the vote. Let Mandela Utamaili. Hausana Mandela. Baba said, Ba, Haisali ANC, ya Mandela. ya Mandela re voted ka 94 ra votela under Mbeki Mbeki a seno tsama wa tsena nthomo ka tlhoe kgolo ya senya ANC ya Mandela fedi Mandela robetse le ANC ko Qunu ha o sana ANC ye ke ya mashodu ya bo Ramaphosa ka nko tsa o befa ba utswa ditšhelete tsa setšhaba a re batle ANC ha batho ba re he monna why o sa votele ANC ya Mandela you ntshitse kon apartheid ya o khutlisa mona today you have right I'm voting for the new ANC. That ANC is in a red beret. ANC ya bukhibidu, ANC ye re tsebang, ye re be re lwa le yona, ha e sa le teng ka moo, e ka moo ho moshimanyana wa rona Malema. Ke yona ntho e be re lwela in the 80s. Ke yona ntho e re lwela in the 70s. Ye ya o supporta batho ba family e itseng fela as ANC ya rona. We don't know this ANC. Le a tseba batho beso especially le na batho ba baholo gore motlhare o moholo a o gola o fitla mo swang o monyane wa tswella wa tlhaella. That's what we are seeing. A new tree is being born now, and that tree which is going to provide you a cooling shade is the EFF. Ngola wa khale o shwele motlhare a o sa etsa moriti o mopila. We need a new tree wo tlo fa moriti o mopila. Ke re na Afrika ba re lwanelang batho ba bantsho. Ke re na fela ba re lwanelang le maburu ko diplaseng. How about I want to be racist? Honor Colonna, hey, I love EFF. Utoebona totiba e pinky. Utoebona totiba e pinky. Oskam Roa don't say, hey, you are a racist. What? When they say to you, hey, move. You just say, boss, I love EFF. Ah, la 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 la. He's going to become pink. They don't love the EFF. Why? It is the only organization that stands up to white arrogance. Because we are not human beings. Because we are not equal to them. We are subhuman. How Araba, there is no monkey that is going to respond to me. EFF is showing them that we are human beings. We are going to respond to you. We are going to put you at your right place. This is our country. This is our land. You are not going to dictate to us how we must live our life in our own country. Baile ko Senegal ko mo Free State. Bar bailo etsa ntho tsa o sa ra ba ruta o phela le batho. Batamaya, Baya go Cape Town, Barge Bregan fan. Never fitla kwa ba sharpa few EFF members. Rabua, Hari Kutla, Kiao Fitla Maponis. Because police are the big brothers of white people. Wabana, Hamu Tuashapa. Your younger brother, King Imratuka suit. Hamu Tuashapa Mane, Argo Bita Abutuak. Manenu, Renari Fitare, yes. Lenama Burler Delta last time, Le Shapa my EFF mo, Rebata Beret. Rdo Shabana Lemabur. Kautan Tomo Barakema Ponisa. Le bona ba re chaba maponesa ba re thunya re fitla fela re so it's next bano e bona e kena red beret ba re is ka batamela thunya from a distance is ka batamela because motho wa tseba e ka batamela red beret re tsola phutsi ya le ponesa ra o shapa ka yona motlhong ya le ba re shoot from a distance the way they are coward Men run and outrun women. Cowards, policemen shoot women at a close range. You are cowards, bloody fools. Maphodisa, if South African police want a fight, they must declare it. We will treat them the same way we treated them in the 80s. We will not only fight them at the picket lines, we will go to their homes and fight them in their own houses with their own families. We're not scared of police. They think this uniform gives them some superior power. We will see you after you take off the uniform at night at home when you are about to eat pap. Repeater, how are you? Repeater nonsense, no repeater uniform kwa ko strati. Moto tabar fighter, magina lelo na fighter. Bloody coward. Renana really chaba will come for you one by one at your own comfort zone. We will teach you that no one can defeat the power of the masses. Not a policeman, not a police state, not a military state, not a dictatorship. Once the masses have taken a decision, no one will defeat them. Racism in South Africa is going to fall. They like it or they don't like it. It's just a matter of time. We are going to go after racists everywhere, and there will not be a home for racists. They will on their own take a flight or a ship out of South Africa because they will no longer feel comfortable in South Africa. Let's not make home for racism. Guys, there is no any other way of fighting racism. Racism is violence. It must be responded with violence. That's the only way we are going to stop racism in South Africa. Tloelang chawa makhuwa, na re chabe makhuwa, re balata makhuwa 99. Re dile ka bona, re ba beye ko plek ya bona. White people ba tlile ba ntsha bophelo out of the bodies of black people. Ha re na bophelo. Re tsamaya fela nje. We don't know what's going to happen to us. We are empty shells with no life. The EFF wants to restore and install life back into the black bodies. That's why Badi Tunya with ease, because there is no life in a black body. They respect life in Europe. Abashumisi stun grenade in Europe. Abashumisi tear gas in Europe. They don't use violence against protesters in Europe. Why? Because there is life in the body of white people in Europe. But when they come here, they use rubber bullets, they use stun grenades, they use tear gas on your bodies because your bodies are lifeless. They are empty shells. They can shoot them at any time because by shooting at this body, they are not taking a life away. There is no life. We want to restore the life in the black bodies. That's our war. That's our battle. Our battle is not to govern. Nto ya rona ke hore batho ba bantsho ba be le seriti ba ke hlomphe. But am I demonstrating with confidence? Let's get doubt. Restore the life in the empty shell called a black body. That's what we are here for. So, but bes rena batho ba EFF ha re le mo re lwanela toka, re lwanela justice for all the oppressed masses of our people. So, bonkgono kaofela batho ba tletse mo le batjha. I want to thank you for being brave. Batho ba votelang EFF ke batho ba brave fela. Ase magwala. La le tsamaya mo le tlabe le tsamaya mo strateng proudly ba le shebile batho ba ANC ba re ba tlo nka modende o re ko bona o ka se o nke ko o sebeleditse modende o no ke ja ke dutse no ebile ha ke batle modende ke batla increase ya re o tla nka modende is something else. Let's talk about increase. You are so brave. I came here to salute you because the ANC here won elections with 40-something%. You can't win with less than 50%. Once you get less than 50%, you lose it. Otomo pechancha the number. Hi, they cannot be proud themselves. Their leaders cannot be proud themselves. Because they celebrate with their leaders. But that celebrator le fail popular barke khotso morapela ela ya opana ke bophelo. Setlaela se le brari fole barke khotso. Auna leadera ya ke kuka hantle ye ka tamo ya re he winne kaofela bona ba tseba they are ashamed. They are hiding in their houses. Because why? Le ba shapile la ba bea ko pleke ya bona. You made the ANC to get less than 50%. There we know. Hangebe skaba stela se sa independence se. Sa moru na mo se tswa moru na mo se tsa independence. Se se na discipline se na se sebedisa mpauna hana. Motho loser go meeting wa EFF wa tsamaya o register independent wa bona ntwa ya butswa motlhong he mona EFF a se le naba ke black, green and gold re batla unta ANC mo power whether wena o candidate or how candidate it doesn't matter as long as the red beret is on the ballot paper. That's what we want. That's what we're going for. Hey, contest our candidate who lose. From there it's a makaufela, rentwe relata the enemy. That's what we want in 2021. This word belongs to us. This word belongs to the EFF. This word will be won by the EFF in 2021. Barata Barati. This is our word. So, fighters, mo arlwanele diposo mo EFF mo re lwanela ditokelo tsa batho ba bantsho whether we kry le poso or how I kry as long as o kena motho wa EFF number one. Why? Re a tseba ha EFF e ka nka masepala re tlo sebetsa kaofela ha o tlo sebetsa dunusa re o thola mosebetsi ha ona wa dunusa re emapile o tlise CV re bona re wa qualify a re sebetse ka dipunu mo re sebetsa ka CV o kene sekolo na mo re batla CV mo re batla una le matric yes kena ngwanesi o batla bursary o passitse hantle kena ngwanesi not hey tlompona bosiu ko rumo a re sebetse ka eo ha o batla tsa thunusa o thole mosebetsi next door o ska tla ka mo rona ka ha o batla mosebetsi ka pelo le moya o palla go ke tshwara le o lositse mo EFF o nyaka o etsa di independent o fetsa o nyaka o khutlele mo EFF mo EFF as a whole day in already check in check out agro independent aye you must never come back here. The door is closed. Ota re sheba TV o re shebele mahala o tabo o shebile EFF in kapuso o re go ba nemba hao hai e thomile ke rona EFF mo kharipi mo ba re ntate why when us again thomile ko ena re ha what happened Papa, I will be disciplined. I will be patient. To allow mad. The revolution is about taking your time. Revolution is not 21st birthday party. More than Gadi 2 June, 21. No. Gadi 2 June, I'm going to be a counselor. No. It can take you many years. Stay true to the revolution. Stay true to the aspiration of the people. Always be on the side of the weak and the poor. Always have trust in the revolution. That the revolution will never betray me. So EFF cannot replace an ANC tendencies with the same tendencies. For EFF, Rebita Mitini, Raketa, Ufedile, we bought the candidate Yaruna Nebuam. We're now further independent on our guy match. Bargman. Spear Buamuna. Wabona Bua library ya momutsing. We tin Totamoka ufela. Spear barata maya campaign na mostratembo. Bana ba mataka mrawa ha. Ke Mandela wa momutsing. Yalo motho no tla mo I kwampa iruruile after eating pap with water. I can contest the spear. That better spear atali. I better be independent. I better on more independent move. But I more EFF babangata. Banana EFF ki cope. Banana EFF ki azapo. Banana EFF ki PAC. Today they are knocking at the closed door. This is not holiday in. There is no check in and check out. No checker in wire. This is your home. Leo khatetso ska roa ka re batho re a kwata ha o kwatile tsa monna go hae. So that kausane ha o le monate o khutle hantle o ska tsa mo re announce mo di Facebook o kitile peacetime hero tla o shapa wire permanently. So spear keep PR cancel remea what ndebo keni on PR canceller but base ANC is an elephant. Elephant ki tloga Sotho. Hape nna ke bua Sepedi, so Sepedi ke Northern Sotho. Some dialects are di kopan. So ANC ki tlo. Ha ona motho a ka tloa o isa tlo ka one shot at a go. Ke batla o bethile ka bullet ya tsoma kona hinkwa. Rena re etsang game hunting. There is a special bullet yer thunyanga yona. Now guys sapa elephant with that bullet, it keeps on running because the elephant is very strong. That's what the ANC is. But let me tell you, we are eating the elephant piece by piece, piece by piece. One day it's going to collapse. Amanda! Viva EFF, viva! Viva EFF, viva! Tata EFF, tata! I wule EFF, I wule! I wule EFF, I wule! Amanda!